Welcome back, guys. Today we're back with another problem, and today's particular problem statement is union of arrays with duplicates. So what you guys can see today that we have two arrays, array 1 and array 2, and now we have to find the number of elements in the union between the two arrays. So if you guys can see that there is one array of 1 2 3 4 and 5, and the second array is 1 2 and 3. So if you club these two, the total array will get 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, means all distinct values, and the count of these values will be 5, and we are returning 5. So before I solve this problem, make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's a simple and easy problem. So first, what we can see, we are using a hash map, hash set approach. We're going to add the first array elements, then we have to add the second array elements, and then we have to return the size. So if I just take a hash set, say ABC, then I have to run a loop, say num1 belongs in array 1, then I have to add abc dot add num1. Okay, similarly I have to do for int num2 in array 2. So in num2 in array 2, then I will add abc dot add num2, and finally I'm going to return the size of the hash set. That's all. It gets the problem done in time complexity of O of n plus m and space of O of n plus n. Now we're going to quickly see and execute this particular problem. So I'll just submit it and check whether it's working or not. So yeah, it passes all the test cases. If you guys have not shared and share this channel with your friends, make sure you do that, and like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and we are looking forward to solve more problems and see you in our next video.